And we are back for one more video. Last time we completed episode number 120 and 121. And in those episodes, finally Goku and Tien has reached King Piccolo's castle, but Tien is down now because Drum defeated him. Drum is the new offspring that King Piccolo created in the last video. But Goku reached there at the end of the video and he defeated Drum. So now we will get to see a fight between Goku and King Piccolo. But also on the other hand, others from Kame House like Yamcha, Balma and Launch and everybody else is coming to see Goku. To see King Piccolo. Whatever is happening, they are en route to King Piccolo. They want to see what Tien is doing, or they think that Goku is also there now because they heard something in the news and they think that Goku is there now. So, yeah, the fight is on, Goku versus King Piccolo. And now, in this episode, we are going to watch the fight and let's see if Goku can defeat. Of course, Goku would be able to defeat King Piccolo now because he is more powerful after drinking that divine water. And if he couldn't defeat King Piccolo, then it would be a waste of time going so far to Karin Tower and doing all that and then drinking the water. It would be total waste. And I think if Yajirobe was introduced in this arc, in King Piccolo's arc, I think that Yajirobe should have some kind of hand in defeating King Piccolo. He needs some purpose because if he was introduced in this arc, so he should have something to do with King Piccolo. But yeah, let's see, because he also is now on his way. I don't know if he is on his way because he was eating food with Bora and his kid Opa. So I don't know if he is going to come here or not. Let's see. If he comes here, then we would have more hands to fight. More allies with us. So yeah, let's just see today's fight between Goku and King Piccolo. Let's get into the episode number 122. Let's go.
I don't get it. That's impossible. How could you survive that? I've fought all over the universe and I've never met anyone with the strength to face me in hand-to-hand
He is different. He is a monster.
I guess I'm not like other people because I've got a tail.
He is doing something to Tien.
Now look who's in control. I think you'll agree I've got the upper hand.
That is a bad play.
Stop it! Leave him alone!
That's not what
You do as I say.
good sportsmanship
Put the
is.
squeeze on your friend. Don't move. Take one more step closer, and I'll give this guy a headache he's
Pacha.
never gonna forget.
I did say that
Go!
Tien would die.
Goku, forget about me. Just make sure
In
you
this
destroy
arc.
this monster.
Don't give him any ideas.
Why does One Piece have... Oh, sorry, not One Piece.
Stop
Dragon
it,
Ball.
monster!
Why does Dragon Ball have so much disgusting scenes that I... Oh, they are also coming there, so they might help. Okay. Why? What was that exclamation for?
This
What?
must be the work of Piccolo. It has to be.
Oh, okay.
Eastern City's been completely wiped out.
Huh?
I've got a bad feeling about
Huh?
this. I hope Goku and Tien are safe.
Eastern City is completely wiped out?
Nothing here. Not
But-
exactly a great spot for a picnic, is it?
Huh?
Yamcha, don't you think
But-
it's too dangerous to rush in headlong?
He
Maybe
was
we should
going to
land
attack
on the
Western
front
City.
Yeah, you're right.
Why is Eastern City in shambles?
This sure was a big explosion. That's for sure.
Oh, okay, that explosion, that
Gonna go in alone.
where the Suno
You
was.
and Launch
Okay.
just stay here where it's safe, okay?
Are they there? Because I don't see any city nearby. It was in the center of the city, and still there were many houses. अबे ते याच्यावर येणार आहे, ते याच्यावर येणार आहे रॉकेट. अबे हा त्याच कडे चालला.
One move and it's over.
Is he going to throw rocks at Goku?
That's it. Stay right where you are. You wouldn't want to cause an accident.
बसणार रे वा, काही करून नाही राहिला तो. आ
Tien, forgive me. I can't let him get away with this.
Yeah.
You fool!
Yes.
Don't you care about your friend's life?
Of course.
He can be brought back to
If I want
life.
the Dragon Balls to revive him, then so be it.
Haven't you heard? I already killed the dragon.
What? That can't be.
He is
That can't be
eternal
true.
dragon. He can't be
Why would I lie
killed.
about that? Even the eternal dragon was no match against my power.
No. How could you do that?
But he is eternal dragon. He can't be beaten.
It is over. Once I exterminate your friend, there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Goku, just go ahead and beat
If you
him.
stay where you are, you're finished. Either way, you lose.
He keeps talking. That means that he doesn't have much power.
Oh my, that looked like it hurt. You're mine.
That's what you think, buddy. I still have one arm left that I can use.
And one leg too. What? Huh? Is his arm going to blast off his hand? What's he doing? He is just keeping it at one. So how is he going to beat him?
I'm coming at you with everything I've got.
Good luck.
He can fly, right? King Piccolo can fly.
It's time for your terror to end.
Khatam.
Goku.
Did he win? Oh! Par.
He did it.
And nobody was here to see it
I did it!
except Tien. Can he?
I don't believe it. He flew right through me. How could he defeat me like that?
Yeah, but can you really die? That is the
Underestimated
question.
his strength.
What's happening?
He's won for now, but my legacy on this planet will survive.
How? Oh! He is giving a birth to a new one. Oh shit.
Good luck, my son. Get revenge for my demise. Destroy all of my enemies.
And what would his name be? His name? His name? Was there a self-destruct sequence in Piccolo?
What could have caused that explosion?
Goku? Who else do you think?
Oh no!
Hey, Yajirobe! Abe! Wah, be wah.
Man, that's what I call a rough landing.
So now who is going to say Goku? I don't think Tien has the power. Maybe Yajirobe because he has a vehicle.
No, Goku!
No, Tien can't get up. And Goku is... Yeah, Yajirobe, that's what I said. Why is he blinking like that? Yay! अरे देखा? Can he reach there in time? He needs to jump. Yay! Hey, hey! Nice catch! अरे 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 ओए 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 Hey, Yajirobe!
Oh,
Hello, Yajirobe. What's up?
Yajirobe.
listen. Take care of Goku, okay? I'm going back to Master Roshi's to tell everyone about what happened out here. I'll take care of him, sure.
They are already
I'll see you,
here.
Goku.
How far are they? Can't they
What
see?
about Master Roshi? Is it true he's gone?
Yes, it's true.
That's true.
And Chaozu, he's gone as well.
And Eternal
The Eternal
Dragon.
Dragon?
Yeah, that too.
I see.
But Goku, after
But I
watching you
don't
fight
think
today,
Eternal
you've
Dragon
inspired me to
wins.
train harder than I ever have.
Are
I
we?
can't stand it that you're so
Or
much
good.
better than me.
Because that's what Dragon Ball is.
Tournament, I
If
guarantee
there's
I'll
no
be the
dragon,
champion.
why would there be Dragon Ball?
We'll see about that.
Can't Yamcha see them laughing and all that?
When you get well, come back, okay? See you later.
Bye
I'll
bye.
be waiting.
Sure.
See ya.
So where does
You're
Goku go
incredible,
now?
Goku.
Where did Goku went now? Will Yamcha? Oh, Yamcha is going to see that, and he would think that he is kidnapping Goku,
That must be going crazy. Was that Goku?
and
Yeah, it
is
sure looked like him.
he is going to attack Yajirobe now. Oh shit!
And so Goku finally
Huh?
defeated his rival Piccolo in a
I
series
thought
of
he
epic
was
battles.
going to attack.
But now, with the Eternal Dragon gone, how will he get the Dragon Balls that he so desperately needs to revive his friends Master
He will
Roshi and
get it
Krillin?
for sure.
The future is uncertain.
Hmm.
But you can bet there are new challenges on the horizon for Goku. So don't miss the next exciting
Of
episode
course not.
Dragon Ball.
Let's go! So now we completed episode number 122 and finally King Piccolo is defeated. It has been 10 to, I don't know, maybe 10 videos. The first time we saw King Piccolo, I shouted so loudly, and the time when Krillin died, that was the most painful, because that at the end of the tournament, even Krillin did good in that tournament and then he died. I was very heartbroken, but when Piccolo was introduced, I was like, yeah, Piccolo is here. And now Piccolo is gone. Maybe 10 to 15 videos, I think so, he was introduced before. So now Piccolo is gone. There will be a new villain, a new journey, and we don't know now what Goku's future entails. So I guess we will need to see what he does further. Maybe a bigger villain than Piccolo. Is it possible bigger villain than Piccolo? Because if Piccolo is a demon, a bigger villain than Piccolo would be a literal god. If Goku has fought demon right now, I don't think there would be anything between demon and god. So after demon, Goku would need to fight a god. So yeah, let's just see what happens, because we also need to bring back Shenron, because his anime is Dragon Ball anime, and if there is no dragon, there would be no balls and there would be no Dragon Balls. So I think that we need to bring Shenron back to life, or I don't know, maybe resurrection or something else. But I think that he is not died. Just like the flying Nimbus, we just have to call out to him and he would appear. Like Piccolo blasted him, but he is not dead. He just went to sleep where he goes in his universe or plane of existence, anything that wherever he lives. So I think he is there right now, maybe healing. So after 1 year, if Goku calls him back after collecting all the Dragon Balls, and I don't know if they need to collect Dragon Balls, because when King Piccolo shot Shenron, the balls fell right there. So I don't think they need to collect them once again. So just when 1 year ends, they will call the Dragon, if they turn back into the Dragon Balls, because they are stones now. So yeah, let's see in the next episode, episode number 1, 2, 3, what happens, where Goku goes about the Dragon. I think that this will be a time skip. Some time would pass, because Goku needs healing and Dragon Balls need 1 year to pass. Maybe 2-3 months have passed since he got his youth. King Piccolo got his youth, and now he is defeated. So yeah, I think the balls need to come back as balls, and Goku needs healing and everything else, and TN is going to tell Yamcha and others what everything happened here. So yeah, let's just see the next episode number 1, 2, 3. Let's go and see what happens. Oh, TN is back.
Yes, I'm very happy to see all of you again.
So both of the launch like TN.
Piccolo was a pretty tough fighter, wasn't he?
He is
Demolished a whole
already
city
asleep.
by himself.
I don't think he is
And
listening to you.
won.
You really think that he is listening to you?
Good, almost there.
Oh, they are going back to Karin Tower. Okay.
Hi, TV Central. I just want to let you know that the battle's over and everyone's all right.
Are you serious? It's
Oh.
really over?
That's right. He's been defeated. Piccolo is dead.
But how can that be? Who in the world is powerful enough to do that?
Well, let's just say that good has won out over evil once again.
That's
She
great.
has direct connection to TV Central.
Bye.
Wait.
Is it that easy
He
to?
has been defeated. There's nothing to worry about. Eastern City, I mean the whole world is safe once again.
And that's it?
Everything's gonna be alright. It's over. We are free.
It's very easy to spread news in Dragon Ball. And what is the helicopter doing? Oh, confetti. Why are there holes in the road?
No more. The battle is finally over. We're free. Over.
Copy that. I'll meet you back at headquarters. Over and out.
Why are they putting confetti in the jungle? Who is going to saf safai all of it? Clean all of it? Who is going to pick all the confetti?
Go around, I could concentrate on all the other bad guys around town.
You're just in time. I decided to turn over a new leaf anyway.
Eh?
Congratulations on behalf of everyone, my king.
Thanks, but I believe we owe everything to that little boy.
Please, help me.
Hey, kiddo, don't worry about it. I'll take care of all your wounds until you're as good as new.
I don't think he needs to take care of his
It's
wounds.
not that.
He needs Shenron back.
I'm hungry.
Hey? I thought he was going to ask to bring everybody back to life. भयताड बेलण्याचा.
I sure wish the dragon were around.
Without him, those Dragon Balls are nothing.
Oh,
more
they
than
bought
worthless
them.
Stones.
But we just have to wait for 1 year. Maybe they would turn back. You don't know for sure. You can't lose hope. Piccolo. How does he? Oh shit. That looks very bad. That's the. Arre.
You see, I know everything.
Then I guess it's no big secret if I tell you the Eternal Dragon was killed by Piccolo.
What did you say?
Yeah, Eternal Dragon is not killed.
No, really? The Eternal Dragon is no more?
How can he be no more? He is eternal.
No. I
Current.
never thought Piccolo was strong enough to do something.
Do you really believe that?
It's not fair. If the Eternal Dragon was alive today, he could bring everyone back to life.
There's
I don't think Karin really believes
Let
that.
it go. People are always
Karin
getting in
knows
trouble all the time. It can't be
more
stopped.
than
That's just the way it
everybody
is.
else.
Yes, it's quite correct. But don't forget, those people who were attacked by Piccolo must spend eternity all alone and will never be able to rest in peace.
Huh?
Eh?
It's true, there's no way for them to go to the other world because their lifeless bodies float in limbo.
Eh?
The poor souls will be lost forever unless they're revived by the Dragon Balls.
Oh.
That's terrible. My friends are going to be miserable forever, and there's nothing we can do.
Well, there can be something we
There's
can
nothing
do.
we can do now that the dragon's gone.
There should be something we can do.
No! Hold on.
Yeah,
I
that's
think
what
we
I
might
said.
have a chance left.
Are you sure?
I can't believe I could forget such an important thing. Yes, this might just
You
work.
are a dumb
Great.
cat.
What do we do?
It's simple. You just have to meet with the one who created the Dragon Balls and ask him to bring the Eternal
God!
Dragon to life.
You mean a person actually created the Dragon Balls?
Of
God!
course, silly. It's not like they just appeared out of thin air on their own.
It's true.
So who is it?
You mean you don't know who made them? It was Kami, of course.
God!
That's great.
I
So we don't have to
speculated
do
that
it.
we are going to meet God. I speculated that we are going to fight God, but
No way, he's up here.
I guess
Come
we are
on,
going to
this
meet
is the
God.
top of the temple.
Well, Kami is floating high above the tower. And when I say floating high up in the sky, I mean really high, smarty pants.
in the
Is
heavens.
this another one of your practical jokes, Corn? You're not fooling me. There's nobody floating up there.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
In the
You just
heaven.
have to trust me. Oh, Goku, you already have a way to get there. You don't
Flying
know,
Nimbus.
do you?
Flying Nimbus.
Remember, you have that very special power pole of yours?
Huh?
Use it, and it'll take you to Kami.
Huh?
Use my power pole?
The power pole was originally created to get the owner from Earth to this temple. You see, a long time ago, Master Roshi begged me to lend it to him, so I let him have it. I thought he'd be the last. I didn't think anyone else would be qualified to carry it until you came along.
I see.
Ooh.
I never realized it was that important, but it was a big help when I fought Piccolo. I'd better hold on to it. Hey! It's gone!
Oh!
Where'd it go?
I know what happened to it. You dropped it when you fought Piccolo.
You're right! Flying Nimbus!
Find that power pole, Goku. It's the only way to get Kami. I'm counting on you.
So something is going to happen to Power Pole now.
Corrin, no matter what it takes.
And this is our new journey. Finding the Power Pole.
I never knew my power such a secret past. Hello?
Oh, Goku!
Where's my power pole?
Goku!
Goku? I knew you'd need it, so I put it over there.
I said,
Well, where did it go? Is it missing again? Not back here. Not in here.
I said power pole is going to get lost. What happened? Did she do anything? Plunge in the toilet.
Here you go.
You found it!
You dropped it while you were fighting Piccolo, so I grabbed it and brought it back here.
That's great. Now I can use this to meet Kami, and if all goes well, Master Roshi and Krillin will come back. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you later, and I'll be back with.
It doesn't even explain anything.
What did he say?
He's going to bring them back to life?
He's going to meet Kami?
Now that Goku has his power pole, he'll be able to meet Kami, and with any luck, bring his friends back to life. But all is not well in the world, because a new danger is growing. An old enemy has been reborn, and he's got his mind set on only one thing. Getting even with Goku.
This is just the start. I'll get Goku. He's all mine. I'll have my revenge.
Piccolo's back, and Goku had better watch out. See what this monster has up his sleeve on the next exciting episode of Dragon Ball.
So we have completed episode number 122 and 123, and Piccolo has turned into Kid Piccolo. I never thought that, but I never seen the Kid Piccolo in a kid form. So is it only for 1 or 2 episodes? Because I don't think that it is going to be for long, because whenever I searched on Google Piccolo, only the old form that we first saw of him and then the new form that was defeated by Goku, that's all I saw about King Piccolo. I didn't see the kid form of Piccolo. So I don't think that this kid form will remain kid for long time. He would, but whenever Piccolo laid his eggs, everybody, like we saw Tambourine and that cymbal and right now drum, everybody straight away came out of the egg in big form, in matured, like maybe 22, 23, 25 years of age, like that. But why is this a kid, a small kid, a baby? And that inside the egg, it was very disgusting, that all the blood and veins and everything, that was very So now Goku has got his power pole and he is going to meet the god. Goku is going to meet the god. I did thought about that after defeating the demon. The only person that is more powerful than demon is a god. So yeah, let's see in the next video what happens if Goku gets to meet the god, or are there any more, entrance tests to meet the god, any more qualifications that Goku need. Karin did say that he has passed all the qualifications to meet the god, but still, if god has to take any tests in order to bring Goku's friends and everybody else back, and also how the god will bring back, does he bring back the Shenron or everybody? We need just to see the next episode. So yeah, let's meet in the next video, and until then, enjoy. Bye bye.